So, tell us where we are.
We're in Quinlan on Claremont Avenue in Forest Park.
Birmingham, Alabama.
Yes.
Yes.
Welcome.
And whose work are we fixing to see?
We're showing today Caleb Clark, who's a local artist, and we're so excited.
Yes, and should be. He is an actor and an opera singer and so many things. And I have seen posts of this beautiful work that he has been putting up. So this is a real treat to get to be in Birmingham and see this marvelous work and show it to you. So we'll just cruise on along. Watercolor. And he paints in so many things. He's just had a show in New York. Did not get to see that one, I'm sorry to say. He is a great talent. And you're the first to see because the show will open in just about an hour. So, aren't we lucky? I don't know if we have enough light on these, but I'll just come over here and you'll get the gist of it. So, enjoy, and congratulations, Caleb Clark, on this very nice show. So glad you told me about it and invited me. Love being here. Bye now.